Give me 3 upper body and 3 lower body strength exercises using dumbbells. All right. Hey everyone, Kev the Trainer here. In today's video, I'm going to be using ChatGPT to design a full body outdoor strength and cardio workout. And if you're curious about what ChatGPT is, it's this new artificial intelligence tool that recently exploded, and it's essentially a chatbot that can answer questions about a wide array of topics, write copy, essays, solve all sorts of math problems, and more. It even passed the US medical licensing exam and the law school bar exam, so it's a really impressive breakthrough in technology. Being in fitness, the one thing I wanted to test out and show you was ChatGPT's ability to create and design workouts. So that's what we're gonna find out today. You can start by Googling ChatGPT, or type in the URL openai.com. And this can be accessed through your web browser on your smartphone, computer, or tablet. But here I'm demonstrating what it's like on a smartphone. Visit the website, tap Try ChatGPT, and if this is your first time accessing the tool, tap Sign Up. And then here you can create an account. And then we're gonna create our password. And then it's asking us to verify our email. Let's go ahead and do that, verify email address. And it's verified. Now if we refresh, we can continue with the registration process. Put in our first name, last name, then our phone number, and then they send you a code to verify. And here is where you can access ChatGPT. Just hit next. This is how they collect data. Conversations are reviewed by AI trainers. Please don't share any sensitive information. And feedback, you can share if you want. So here are just some capabilities. It remembers what the user said earlier in the conversation. It allows the users to provide follow-up corrections. It's trained to decline inappropriate requests. There are some limitations in that it may occasionally generate incorrect information. It may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. And it has limited knowledge of world events after 2021. Just keep that in mind as you have this conversation going. Essentially, what this is a chat. You can chat with the bot, say, hi, my name is Kevin, and it'll respond. So if I wanted to create a new chat, I just would go to the 3 lines at the top left, tap new chat. So how I'm gonna approach this in terms of creating a workout, I'm just going to make some requests based on what stage of the workout I'm in. Can you give me 5 full body exercises to warm up with? Sure, here are 5 full body exercises to warm up with: squats, jumping jacks, lunges, push-ups, and mountain climbers. And I can ask, how do I perform each of those exercises? Send that, and then it knows, because of the conversation, that there are 5 exercises there, and I don't have to say, how do I perform squats, how do I perform jumping jacks? It'll just automatically know, okay, here's how to perform each of these exercises. So here it's explaining how to perform all of them. Then I can ask, how many reps of each should I perform? The number of reps will depend on your fitness levels and goals, but a good starting point is 8 to 12 reps for each exercise. It's always best to listen to your body and adjust the reps or resistance as needed. You can also consider doing 2 to 3 sets of each exercise for a total warm-up. You can ask it specific questions to get more descriptive information. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm just gonna classify it as other because we're gonna do a bunch of stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. Now let's ask, can you give me 5 full body stretching exercises? Sure, here are 5 full body stretching exercises: cat-cow stretch, downward facing dog, child's pose, hamstring stretch, butterfly stretch. Do you have more stretches for my arms? Tricep stretch, bicep stretch, shoulder blade squeeze, wrist stretch, cross body arm stretch. So How do I perform all 10 of these stretches? And you'll see that it gives us instructions on how to perform all 10 of these movements. How long should I hold each movement? It's recommended to hold each stretching movement for 15 to 30 seconds to allow the muscles to fully relax and stretch. However, some people may prefer to hold for shorter or longer periods depending on their level of flexibility and comfort. It's important to listen to your body and not push past your limits. Gentle, sustained stretching is more effective than bouncing or jerky movements. Cool, so let's go ahead and do these. Now that I've done my warm-up and my stretching, I'm ready to knock out some cardio with a run workout here. And I'm gonna ask ChatGPT exactly what to do. So let's say I wanna do a 20-minute run. Can you give me a 20-minute outdoor run workout? And here's a 20-minute outdoor running workout. Warm-up, start with a 5-minute jog at a slow pace to warm up your muscles. Interval 1, 3 minutes, run at a moderate pace, pushing yourself a little harder than your warm-up pace. Interval 2, 2 minutes, slow down to a recovery pace, jogging or walking as needed. Interval 3, repeat the moderate pace from interval 1. Interval 4, 2 minutes, slow down to a recovery pace, jogging or walking as needed. Interval 5, 4 minutes, run at a moderate to hard pace, pushing yourself for the final push. Cool down, slow down to a walk or slow jog for 5 minutes to cool down and stretch. So even though we did a dynamic warm-up, let's go ahead and do this running warm-up to get those leg muscles really going. So now we're approaching our moderate pace for 3 minutes, interval 1. Let's go. Recovery pace. Now we're back to 3 minutes at that moderate pace. Let's pick it up. Slowing it down, interval 4, 2-minute recovery pace. Interval number 5, that's 4 minutes at our moderate pace. The last thing it says here is a cool down, slow down to a walk or a slow jog for 5 minutes to cool down and stretch. So let's go ahead and do that. 5 minutes at a nice easy pace. All right, so the running portion of our workout is done. That brings us to about 400 calories in 40 minutes, but the fun's not over yet. So now that we've finished our running workout, I'm gonna use ChatGPT to create a strengthening workout using a pair of dumbbells. Give me 3 upper body and 3 lower body strength exercises using dumbbells. All right. So upper body, dumbbell bench press, dumbbell bicep curl, dumbbell shoulder press, dumbbell squats, dumbbell deadlifts, and dumbbell lunges. I don't have a bench for the bench press. No problem. Here are 3 alternative upper body using dumbbells. Dumbbell push-ups, dumbbell flies, dumbbell rows. Awesome. So that's pretty smart of it. Can you turn these exercises into an interval timed workout? Dumbbell push-ups, 30 seconds, dumbbell bicep curls, dumbbell flies, dumbbell shoulder presses, dumbbell rows, 30 seconds, lower body dumbbell squats, dumbbell deadlifts, dumbbell lunges. Repeat the entire circuit for 3 to 5 rounds, so 30 to 60 seconds of rest between each exercise. Cool. I only asked for 3 upper body and 3 lower body exercises, so I'm gonna say, can you list the workout removing the flies and the rows? Can you list these exercises for me without the dumbbell flies or the dumbbell rows? I'm gonna spell flies the way they had it. And now, that's the workout that we're gonna do. So now I want to ask ChatGPT to create us a 3-minute core burnout. So let's see what it does. Make me a 3-minute core burnout. Sure, here's a 3-minute core burnout. 30 seconds of mountain climbers, 30 seconds of plank jacks, 30 seconds of Russian twists, 30 seconds of leg raises, 30 seconds of bicycles, 30 seconds of flutter kicks, 30 seconds of reverse crunches. Repeat 2 more times for a total of 3 minutes. So that's actually 1, 2, 3, 3.5 minutes itself. So if I want it to be specifically 3 minutes, let's see what it does. Can you make the entire workout 3 minutes long? Plank, leg raises, bicycle crunches, mountain climbers, flutter kicks, Russian twists. Okay, let's do this. Can you give me a post-workout stretch routine? Hamstring stretch, quad stretch, calf stretch, shoulder and tricep stretch, hip flexor stretch. All right. All right, so after finishing a complete workout dictated by ChatGPT, I'd say, it's pretty good. In total, that workout took about 1 hour and 15 minutes, and I burned 700 calories, and encompassed everything from the warm-up to the running, to the strength training, to the burnout, to the stretching. So you could find all these resources online, but ChatGPT makes it easier to kind of get what you need. You just need to be very specific about the variables and the parameters you want, the equipment that you're using and timing. As long as you're specific about what that workout is and kind of building that framework, ChatGPT can give it to you. All of the responses from ChatGPT are text-based, so if you're a visual learner or you're not familiar with form, it may be hard to execute exercises with the correct form without seeing it. So right now there's no visuals that help you, but that's something that I can see being an easy fix as AI evolves more and more. But overall, it was a really cool experience having AI create a workout. Try it out for yourself. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.